Better to be a nobody and yet have a servant than pretend to be somebody and have no food. Proverbs chapter 12, verses 9.
Hello, family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back.
Happy new month, and today we're going to make my all-time favorite snack. Rock buns is on the menu today. It's about time for us to make this crunchy but yet very soft in the inside snack for the entire family since the Easter holidays is fast approaching. Please stay tuned. You're going to really enjoy, and it's absolutely easy to make. I have listed each and every ingredient below in the description box, so please kindly check it out. I have here 1.9 kilos of all-purpose flour or 190 grams of all-purpose flour. I have 150 grams of milk powder, 120 grams of baking powder, and I also have 197 grams of salted butter. Please use 200 grams, it's just the same. And the rest of the ingredients are my eggs, quarter size orange, and I have a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of grated nutmeg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's all that I'm going to be using. First of all, let's combine the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add my salt and grate about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Please, if you have powdered nutmeg, use that as well. I just want it to be nice and strong in here. That is why I'm using the whole nutmeg. Okay, and to that I'll add my baking powder and then mix it very well, because these ingredients need to be very well distributed evenly to each and every flour in here. So it's best to make sure you mix it very well before you add anything else. So here comes my milk powder. You can also choose to use just milk powder and water or just whole milk. Really does not matter, but adding both is going to elevate the flavors for you, and you're going to really like the results much better. So here I add about a half cup of sugar. You can decide to add more or less according to your preference, okay? But these rock buns come a little bit sweeter, so you just want to make sure you adjust to your preference. And here is my 200 grams of salted butter on a room temperature. I'll make sure I slowly mix everything together until each and every ingredient here is evenly distributed and well incorporated. Once I'm done, I'll just set it aside and go ahead with my liquid ingredients or wet ingredients. So this is such an easy quick snack recipe that you can have at home. It's so easy. It's absolutely fail proof. You cannot fail or just go wrong with this at all. So in my mixing cup, I added my whole milk, which is about 1 cup of it, and I'm going to add my eggs. I'm using 2 eggs in this recipe, so yes. The next ingredient is absolutely very important, and not a lot of people know this. Adding quarter size of your orange and squeezing them in is going to change the whole taste for you. The flavor is up there. It's absolutely incredible. And I love to also grate some orange zest in here. Absolutely incredible. And even to take this taste to a whole different level, I added just a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and it's absolutely great. I'm going to mix everything together. The aroma in here is insane, absolutely incredible. So I'm going to make a hole in my dry ingredients and add my wet one bit by bit. And here all that you have to do is go in with your hands and mix everything very well together until you find this beautiful textured butter that you're going to really love. It should not be way too soft, neither should it be very hard. So yes, go ahead and add in bit by bit until you get the texture that you're going to see on your screens. These measurements are perfect, and if you use this measurement, you do not want to even think about adding any more liquids. It's just perfect, and this texture is what we're going for, just as you see on your screen. After mixing everything, allow it to rest just about 5 minutes and go ahead and fry it. Optional, you can also bake this in your oven, but I absolutely love the naughty frying method. It's absolutely great. It comes out always so perfect and crunchier on the outside. Before you start to fry, please make sure you add a little bit of oil on your palm to make the dropping method very easy. And I have two ways of frying this. One is just using the way you fry your bowl fruit, that is making it come out in a very lovely round shape, and the other one is just dropping it at the tip of your finger without you thinking about it, being fine and very round on the outside. This also double in size anyway, so whichever way, it's absolutely great. So go ahead and turn them until you see that perfect golden color for that delicious and very crunchy rock buns. Absolutely incredible. This is what ate all my pocket money back in the days, y'all. It's absolutely great. I just really like that crunchiness on the outside and super soft and moist in the inside. Always key, and it's so good, especially when you pair this with fine ice. You are good to go. So there you have it. This is how we got it. Look at that, how crunchy they came out. So good. So this is the second method that I was talking about. You just want to leave it. With this method, you can see a lot more crunchiness on the outside, which everybody is so much used to with rock buns, especially the Ghanaian rock buns. It needs to have this rough end, and it's absolutely beautiful to watch. And it's also, go ahead and turn them on each side until you see that beautiful brown caramelized color that we all adore. Look at that. You can see that roughness. There's a lot more of roughness on the outside, and it's a lot more crunchier on the outside when you use this method to fry. So there you have it. We are done frying this, and make sure while frying, do this on a low to medium heat, and you're going to really come out with the best results ever. So there you have it, family. Go ahead, serve yourself with some soft drink, pair with your sobolo, pair with just some peanuts, or even some fun ice or Fanta. That is what we did today, and it was so good. This is a recipe I highly recommend because it's so easy to get together, and it's just so enjoyable and very delicious. The warm is very soon upon us, so I highly recommend you make this for your family and your friends in this summer gathering, and you're going to really enjoy. So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy your time with me. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.